Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research, and this is your morning market update for Monday, October 17th. Citigroup third quarter earnings rose 68% from a year earlier, lifted by an accounting adjustment and continued strength in the bank's international operations. Citi booked a $1.9 billion gain tied to the valuation of its own debt. The bank continued to show improvement in losses from soured loans. However, even without the accounting gain, Citi's $3.74 billion profit managed to beat analyst expectations. Revenue, however, fell 8% from a year earlier to $18.9 billion. Consumer spending abroad, particularly in Asia, improved revenue, but couldn't offset the hit from the declining investment banking and trading business. Wells Fargo third quarter earnings rose 21% on a profit of $4 billion, up from $3.3 billion a year earlier. Revenue decreased 6.2% to $19.6 billion. The banking giant continued to benefit from sharply lower credit loss provisions. Its shares opened lower this morning. Gannett's third quarter profit dropped 1.6% to $99.8 million from $101 million in the year-ago period. The Federal Reserve reported that industrial production edged up a seasonally adjusted 0.2% in September, and August output was downwardly revised to zero growth from an initially reported 0.2% gain. Economists had anticipated a 0.1% gain for the month. September's gain was led by business equipment production, which rose 1% on the month and is up 10.3% from September 2010. For the third quarter, industrial production rose an annualized 5.1%. After the Fed's report came out, Treasury prices and the dollar rose slightly. Kinder Morgan said Sunday it will create the largest natural gas pipeline system in the U.S. by buying El Paso Corp in a $38 billion cash, stock, and warrant deal. The agreement values El Paso at $26.87 a share, a 47% premium to the stock's 20-day average closing price and 37% above where it closed Friday. The stock is up about 25% on pre-open trading. Halliburton reported third quarter net income rose 26% on 40% higher revenue. Earnings reached $683 million from $544 million in the year earlier period. The company chairman said that revenue and profitability in North America continued very strong, while international profitability recovered at the rate expected. U.S. stock markets opened lower as Germany downplayed the notion of a quick fix for Europe's debt trouble, and a New York region index illustrated ongoing weakness in manufacturing activity. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.